specific holes. Cut off the end of the window scraper. Prepare the power window device. Remove the two window retainers and reduce the loads. Insert the 4 cages. Fit the 2 green and the 2 black clips in this position. Install the power window device in this way, paying attention to the cable at the back of the device. Secure the power window device. The power window device. If the operation has been carried out correctly, the power window device must not be parallel to the door framework and must lie completely backwards. Note the 2 crescents in this position. Insert the connector. Refit the 2 door opening and closing tie rods. Check that the power window device moves correctly. Fit the window. Apply double-sided adhesive tape on the plastic strip. Position the strip with the hole facing downwards and insert it into the first hole on the window. Close with the entire protrusion upwards. Take the washer found on the power window device and put it onto the plastic strip. Position the rubber strip and add on a rubber piece in the upper section. Remove the double-sided adhesive. Begin the reassembly procedure. Insert the strip onto the clips and install into the shoe, paying attention that they properly fit into the holes in front and behind. Couple the front shoe bolts. Fit the rubber washer and the plastic piece. Fit the shoe's fastening bolts. Spread a large quantity of grease over the entire guide to lubricate it. Insert the window from the front side. Lower the window until the two holes match. Apply the two window retainers in this position on the rear side. Check that the preload adjuster for the rear movable guide connects with the power window device. Cut off this part and insert the window's rear movable guide. Push the window and raise it until the two holes match up. Fit the movable guide's fastening plate in the rear section. Fix this assembly with the relative bolt. Move the rear shoe completely upwards so that the crescent can be seen. Carry out a first window adjustment so as to get the same opening at either side, left hand and right hand, of the bolt. Secure the two window retainers. Check that the window can be raised and lowered correctly. Couple the pillar screws to the self-locking washer and the small black washer. Insert the 5 screws which fasten the pillar. Firmly hold the pillar to be coupled. Remove the strip and proceed with the overlaying, checking for proper alignment. Secure them with the rivets. Cut the rivet protrusion as much as possible. Place the pillar in a vise and clinch the rivets. Insert the pillar and immediately fasten the two ends, the lower end and the upper end. Check whether it is necessary to shim the pillar. Move the window into position checking for perfect alignment of all components. Check that the pillar is aligned with the window. Tighten the pillar very strongly until it is completely flush with the car body. Position the fixed window in order to find the starting point of the upper strip. Position the upper strip starting from the point previously marked on the window. Keep this point a little bit more on the inside. Place the strip in its holder with the bigger layer towards the outside. Position the strip without tightening the screws. Apply 3M onto these points. Modify the sponge like this. Put the sponge in the door strip, placing the shaped part towards the outer side of the strip. Check that there is no gap left at this point. Insert the door strip. Adjust the window. Depending on the vehicle type, the window can be moved either forwards or backwards. Slacken the loads and the window. Bring the window slightly forwards so as to leave more space behind and less in front. Lock the window into place. Raise the window and apply a little load. Check that the profile of the fixed window and that of the movable window are aligned. Lower the window and check that it falls slightly forwards, the opposite of what happens when it is raised. Therefore, leave the window in this position. Secure the door strip. Cut a very fine rubber ring and another a little wider. Place the thinner ring on the inside. Insert the spring into this hole. Drill using the drilling machine and fix the spring. Remove the door strip in the front. Fit the sheet inserted in this position attached to the door strip. Leave it parallel to the strip at a distance of 3 or 4 millimeters. Mark the 3 fastening holes. Drill with a 3.25 millimeter bit. Fit the sheet insert inside the strip. Insert a screw from the inside. Fasten in the previously drilled points. Check that it doesn't pinch too much. Position the rear view mirror. Note that the edge at this point is too low and at this point is too high.